How to create a time scrolling effect like this using the CapCut app. Create a new project, then add a black background image to it. Next, open the text menu, tap Add Text, then type your time year text like this. Don't forget to change the font type and adjust the size as desired. Next, at the start of the text clip, drag the text so that the top time text is centered. Then add a keyframe. Meanwhile, at the end of the clip, drag the text clip up until it displays the time text you want in the middle. It doesn't stop there. Open the Graphs menu. Then select the effect called Cubic Ease or Circular Ease. It's up to you. Next, duplicate your background clip. Then move it to the overlay track. Open the Layer menu, then move the background overlay to the front. After that, open the Mask menu, select the rectangle option, tap Invert, then adjust the size and position to fit the text, and adjust the feather. Finally, add a sound effect called App Scroll. Then adjust it to match with the text animation. Done! And here is the result.